The Head Start to Kindergarten Proximity Map is a powerful tool for policymakers, school system administrators, journalists, and researchers. You can explore the geographic relationships among Head Start centers, schools with kindergarten, and census-tract level demographic characteristics. This walkthrough will show you how to use the map with example research questions and scenarios. Let's get started. At first, you will see orange icons representing clusters of Head Start locations and purple icons representing clusters of public kindergarten locations. As you zoom in, the clusters will disperse into individual sites. This interactive map can be used to answer questions such as, what does the Head Start and kindergarten landscape look like in my area? What is the average distance between Head Start centers and kindergarten programs in my state? How demographically similar are areas with relatively large distances between Head Start centers and kindergarten programs? Let's dig into this first question. What does the Head Start and kindergarten landscape look like in my area? This mapping tool was developed by researchers from NORC at the University of Chicago. So let's take a look at the landscape there. On the city's south side, in the Hyde Park neighborhood surrounding the NORC office, you'll see plenty of elementary schools and Head Start centers. You can learn more about each of the Head Start centers and schools with kindergarten by clicking on an icon to open the tooltip. You can also view local demographic data such as race, ethnicity, education, and income. Access the list of community-level characteristics, which ArcGIS calls layers, that are available by clicking the Layers icon on the left-hand side. Use the eye next to each layer name to toggle visibility. The legend on the right side explains what the different colors mean. Now, let's focus on question 2. What is the average distance between Head Start centers and kindergarten programs in my state? To get this kind of statistical information quickly, the easiest thing to do is apply filters and open a table. To apply a filter, you first need to select a community-level characteristic layer that you want to filter on. Click on a layer name, then use the filtering menu on the right side to narrow down the data in the map. I'm going to create a subset of Head Start centers in the state of Illinois. Then, I can show table of Head Start locations. And get information for the fields I'm interested in. Here we see that the average proximity between Head Start centers to schools with kindergarten in Illinois is 0.53 miles. Finally, let's address the most multifaceted question. How demographically similar are different areas across the country with relatively large distances between Head Start centers and kindergarten programs? To answer this question, we would need to combine the skills we just learned of filtering for specific areas and adding additional demographic layers. Then, we can start comparing different areas across the country. If you would like to conduct analyses to examine this last question more systematically, you can do so using a different program such as Microsoft Excel. Just download the data used to create each map layer from the home page and import them into the statistical program of choice. The Head Start to Kindergarten Proximity Map is a product of the Understanding Children's Transitions from Head Start to Kindergarten project, or HS2K, a federally funded study of systems-level supports for the transition to kindergarten. The HS2K project is a collaborative research venture between NORC at the University of Chicago, Child Trends, the National P2 3 Center, and consultant Dr. Kyle DeMeo Cook, with funding from the Administration for Children and Families Office of Planning, Research, and Evaluation. To learn more about the project, visit the link on screen and in the description below.